Hello folks, welcome to Camella's Kitchen. Today we're actually going to show you how to use our island herb blend. Now this is also known as green seasoning in the Caribbean, and it is very similar to the Puerto Rican sofrito. So one thing you notice when you open this jar of green seasoning, that's what it looks like. A nice blend of herbs and spices. It is very aromatic. Now, the green seasoning is a nice base for all of our food. It's very prominent in the Caribbean, and we include it in meats, fish dishes, as well as some rice dishes and vegetables as well. It's really great for marinating. So we'll show you how to do that. We actually have some chicken that we are going to marinate today. So here it is. All right, so here's the chicken that we're marinating. We're here with Miss Karen, who's doing some cooking. So how much green seasoning would you put per pound of meat?
So we just add in 4 teaspoons of green seasoning to 2 pounds of chicken.
All right, so about 2 teaspoons per pound of meat is what is recommended. Now that looks like a lot of meat. So the green seasoning serves as a marinade. So we're actually going to show you how to blend it in. So right now, our green seasoning from Camella's Kitchen does not contain any salt, just so you can actually, control how much salt you put in your food. So what we're doing is adding in a custom blend that has salt and pepper and a few other spices as well. The great thing about the green seasoning is after you're done with it, you can add in whatever custom blend, custom flavors you want to your meat as well to give it that extra bit of flavor. So we're pouring it in right now. All right, and we're going to mix it in. So we're mixing it in with a spoon right now. Depending on your comfort level, you might want to use your hand. We've mixed in the blend, and you can see that the chicken has been covered by green seasoning and a custom blend. And really, that's all that you have to do to, marinate your meat, your chicken in the green seasoning. And we're done with the chicken, so what we're going to do is put it in the refrigerator so that it can sit for about 15 minutes or so before we cook it. Now, for a more intense flavor, you can actually leave it in the refrigerator for longer. You can leave it in for an hour or even overnight. It's really your preference, and it depends on how much time you have. But that is really how you use green seasoning. It's very simple. So we hope you enjoyed, and thank you from the ladies of Camella's Kitchen. So you can actually read more about how to use a green seasoning online at camellaskitchen.com. So thanks for joining again.